Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sakshi Gaba from Lady Harding Medical College, New Delhi. And since there are almost 10 days to go for your NEET examination, so I'm here to tell you the do's and the don'ts for the last 10 days. And I guess it is a very important video, so I insist you to watch it completely because I don't want you guys to screw up your whole preparation of 2 to 3 years in just because of a mistake in last 10 days. Also in this video, Nimansh Jindal from Maulana Azad Medical College is also gonna accompany me. He would also be telling the strategies and the pointers for the last 10 days.
Hello everyone, I'm Nimansh Tindal, a first year medical student at Maulana Azad Medical College, Delhi. I scored 685 in NEET 2020 with an All India rank of 439. Thank you Sakshi for inviting me to your channel. So today we are here to share our experiences and some tips and strategies to help you guys with your NEET examination.
Okay, so the first tip is eating healthy. Please eat healthy, guys. Eat ghar ka khana. Do not munch on a lot of snacks because it can elevate your stress levels. And just eat healthy and do not get sick. Do not acquire any kind of infection and take care of yourself. So the second request I want to make you guys is please sleep enough. Take adequate amount of sleep. Whatever you have prepared is enough, is very good, and overburdening yourself in the last days will only affect your performance on the day of exam. So please do sleep at least 6 to 7 hours a day. Next thing is, do not study anything new. Whatever you have studied, you just need to revise it properly, and whatever is left, just let it go. Otherwise you will just end up panicking yourself. So please do not study anything new. Okay, so the next thing is, do not talk to a lot of friends, your coaching friends or whatever. Do not ask them how much have they done. Do not discuss anything, just wish each other all the best. Believe me, everyone has seen toppers who top throughout the year but screw their exam, and everyone has seen average students topping the exam because it highly depends on how you carry yourself on that particular day. So you do not have to absorb all the toxicity coming from everywhere, be it your relatives or your friends. You just have to push that toxicity back and do not let it come inside you. Just stay positive and believe in yourself. So now let's come to subject wise approach, and I'm going to cut it very short. So first let's come to physics. Revise all the formulas of physics in the 10 days repeatedly. You do not want to miss a question in the exam just because you are not able to remember that formula. So revise all the formula thoroughly and practice all the previous year questions. Only previous year questions. Don't go for other modules or other books in the last 10 days. Practice only previous year questions.
Sakshi has already talked about physics, so I'm going to take up chemistry and biology. Starting with chemistry, you need to memorize all the formulae given in physical chemistry, and for organic chemistry, you need to memorize all the name reactions and the sequences and orders. Coming to inorganic chemistry, this is the part which troubles everyone. Like, ये सबको मुश्किल लगता है. So for this, you need not memorize the exact data and numbers, but you need to have a rough idea about the values and the orders and sequences of solubility, electronegativity and all. So for this, you have to go through your NCRTs again and again. And please do not read anything new in these 10 days. Just stick to your NCRTs and notes, and that would suffice. Also, certain MCQs have been asked in the previous year questions which are out of NCRT. So if you find difficult to solve these, you can simply learn their answers, and that would suffice at this point of time. Here in biology, you need to know the answers of each and every previous year question that has been asked after 2010 by heart, so that if the question is repeated, you can easily mark the answer. NCRT, everyone says ki read the NCRT completely, but it's obviously not possible to read the complete NCRT line by line at this point of time. So what you need to do is कि सारे chapters पढ़ो, but उनको ऊपर से पढ़ो and mark the important points, the data, the facts, the numbers, the names of scientists and everything, and also go through the diagrams अच्छे से, because diagrams will help you a lot in the exam.
Okay, so the last thing is to trust yourself, to believe in yourself, and make yourself believe by getting all the blessings, all the positive vibes. that you are gonna score very good in your NEET examination. And believe it or not, this thing really helped me get through the exam and also through my life. So what you have to do is every day you need to remind yourself and speak to yourself that you are great, you're gonna do great, you're gonna score very well in your NEET examination, and this is what will eventually happen if you believe that it will happen. So just make yourself believe it.
To conclude, I would say at this point of time, please do not compare yourself with others. Just focus on yourself, take a good amount of sleep, stay positive, be optimistic, and study hard. All the best for your NEET, and hope to see you as a juniors in college soon. All the best.
So that's it for the video, guys. Please do keep these things in mind, and I wish you all the very best for your exam.